What's up, guys? It's your girl Neesyraychelle, and I'm back with another video. This video is going to be on this new product here. This is the NYX Bear With Me Blurring Tint Foundation. So if y'all want to know how I really feel about this foundation, y'all stay tuned, and don't forget, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on these types of goodies. Alright guys, so I'm going to be trying a new foundation today, and y'all know I don't switch up my foundations that often, but today we're going to be using the NYX Bear With Me Blur foundation. And I'm a little nervous because, you know, it's a new foundation, so I, you know, color wise, we don't really know if this is gonna work or not. So like, I tried it on in the store, and if you know anything about Ulta, their freaking lighting is terrible. So I'm gonna try it out today. We're gonna see if this color matches me good enough. And let me get my makeup up here so I can, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then we will get to the foundation. I did see Tasha use this foundation, and like the way when she put it on and it just like blended so well, I was like, that's not bad for, you know, drugstore makeup. Because y'all know I usually wear Fenty. Y'all know I wear Fenty. Like, that's my main foundation. I don't usually stray too far from that. But today, since I needed to go in there and get more lash glue, I was like, let me try it. And so I used it because they have testers again, thank God. I used the tester, and the first one I used was a little too light, in my opinion. And then the next one I grabbed was the one that I actually bought. And we're gonna see. We're gonna see.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my blood flow. Hold me till I scream for every, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby,
Alright, to the foundation. So again, this is Bear With Me Blur Deep Bronze. And yeah, y'all, we're gonna see. We gonna I'm nervous because it looks real dark. and I just grabbed like a whole bunch of it. Huh. Oh, y'all, I like this. It's not orange. And it's full coverage. Yeah, I think we got a win with this one. Like, look at it. And see, it's showing up on camera totally different than it is in person. But if I get, I think it's a win, y'all. It's real lightweight, and y'all saw I only did like 2 dots on both cheeks. And let's see how it mixes with my concealer, because that's gonna be something. It's so lightweight to be like full coverage. Like, I don't feel it at all on my face. Like, at all. And I like that I don't feel it. Ooh, oh man, I just waste a lot of product. So yeah, so far I'm liking the initial coverage. It's supposed to be a matte, cause it's a tint foundation. It's not like a it's not a regular foundation. It's tint, so it's not supposed to be heavy anyway. But I'm just shocked at the coverage that it gives for it to not be a full coverage foundation. Like, for it to be a tint, like, it has good coverage. So again, I don't know, I'm going to come back like when I get off work to really let y'all see like how it lasts for a certain amount of time, because so I work like 5 hours today. So in those 5 hours, we gonna see how oily my skin gets. To see if the mattifying portion of this actually works, because that's a big thing for me. So I ain't found really nothing that really gives me true like long wear throughout the day mattification, if that's even a word. So and it holds up well against like my other products. Like, I'm really liking that it's not, because you know sometimes some foundations will rub away when you start adding other products on top of it, and it hasn't done that. And that's a plus for me. So yeah, this is what it looks like first initial. So like I said, I will be back later so y'all can see how it actually holds up. But initial reaction, I think it's giving what it's supposed to give. It really is. All right guys, so this is, oh, when I put this on, I did my makeup at 12, so it's 8:20. So this is 8 hours of wearing the NYX Bear With Me Blur tinted foundation. It's a blurring tint foundation, and y'all, it says it's matte. And I didn't put a primer on, but this is how my oils naturally came through the foundation today. So I'm going to take my powder and like, I'm gonna mat it all back up so y'all can see what it looked like prior. But I did oil up in my T-zone. Like, this is normally where I get oily, so it did exactly what I thought it was gonna do. Because my skin, which it's not bad that I'm oily, to be real honest with you, because oily skin just means that I have more elasticity in my skin, and I'm gonna age gracefully. So yeah, so I am still getting my normal oils, but I must say I do like it. I got a lot of compliments on the foundation today, so we're happy there. It blends real nice with my skin, like neck and face is matching, period. But yeah, I think this is definitely, for my first day wearing it, definitely I'm getting 10 out of 10 for it. I mean, my skin being oily is just, that's my skin, like it just does that. So I can't really be mad about that. But as far as coverage is amazing, because y'all can't see none of these dark spots on my forehead. Like, I did not color correct at all, and it covered. And as far as it matching my skin tone, chef's kiss. Because your girl I be having so many issues with freaking foundation. Like, drugstore foundation usually does not match my skin tone. I usually have the hardest time finding my correct shade, or I have to mix shades, and I did not have to do that with this. So again, 10 out of 10, definitely would recommend. I was definitely like shocked with how this applied to my face, how it felt. Like, I still, usually by now I feel like I have makeup on my face, like I can feel it because my skin is so oily, but I don't feel this at all. Even before I powdered my face, I don't feel this. So if you're like new to makeup, or you someone that don't like how makeup feel on your face, try this out. I think you would truly enjoy this. So I did get this from Ulta. Ulta does, my Ulta has it. I'm pretty sure all the Ultas have it, but I got this out of Ulta. It was $14, which isn't a bad price for medium coverage foundation. And yeah, y'all tell me what y'all think about it being on my face. Like, can y'all tell the difference between it and my Fenty? And I think I will like do a difference video, a comparison video, so y'all can see this on one side and Fenty on the other side, so we can kind of compare the two. So yeah, that's it for my video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay chic, babes.